We got a baby great horned owl. Fell from the nest. I'm gonna drop him to the raptor center, so we're gonna feed her. Come on. Yeah, we got some rat food for you. This is the second bird I rescued. Come on. Okay, we got a last piece. Come on. There you go. Say goodnight to everybody. And tomorrow we're gonna go to the Raptor Center. Today is Sunday, can't do anything. So I can keep her legally 24 hours with me. I already know that. And yeah. So say bye-bye. Good night. Well, actually, night is the day for her anyway. Actually. Hungry and scared.